In 2026, a set of laws are taking effect aimed to protect animals from abuse. Dexter's Law will require the Department of Law Enforcement or the Florida Department of Law Enforcement rather, to post the names of people who have been found guilty of animal cruelty. Rachel Williams spoke to the author of the law and tells us what this means for animal cruelty cases going forward.
If anyone is convicted of animal cruelty in the state of Florida, they will get jail or prison time. Dexter's Law is essentially two bills rolled into one. The first portion went into effect July 1st, and the second part starts January 1st. Dexter's Law is named after a dog found decapitated at Fort DeSoto Beach days after he was adopted from a county animal shelter. This law also enhances criminal penalties for severe cruelty.
What we did with Dexter's Law during the sentencing phase, I added a multiplier onto the criminal punishment score sheet, which gives you, for these horrific crimes, more points to get you closer to prison or get you in prison for the crime.
Here's a breakdown of the law. The first portion of the law is adding a sentencing multiplier if you've been charged with animal cruelty, especially if it's severe. The second part of the law is adding an animal cruelty database to where you can find convicted animal abusers. The author of this law, Debbie Dorino, calls it a resource tool.
We just don't want people being able to reoffend or get animals and abuse them and torture them and all that stuff. What the database does is the clerk of courts in every county in Florida, all 67 counties, they automatically send all of their cases, anything that's been through the court system, up to the FDLE. The FDLE stores all that information in a section up there.
Dorino says even if someone doesn't have any prior convictions of animal cruelty, they will still be sentenced to jail or prison time under this new law.
Under Ponce's law, that's a third-degree felony. You're going to score some jail time. How much will be up to the prosecutors and the judge.
For WPBF, I'm Rachel Williams.